Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the top 7 most advanced wings and spoilers in the world. These are active aerodynamic systems that can change their shape or position depending on the driving conditions, which allows them to provide optimal downforce and stability. Number 7. The Aston Martin Valkyrie is a hypercar that is designed for both road and track use. It features an active aerodynamic system that includes the airblade, which is an invisible spoiler. The airblade works by channeling air from the rear pillars of the car down to the back, where it is then shot up through a narrow slit. This creates a virtual spoiler that provides downforce without the need for a physical spoiler. Number 6. The Mercedes AMG GT Black Series is a track-focused sports car that features an active aerodynamic system that can adjust the height, angle, and width of the rear wing. This allows the car to generate more downforce at high speeds and less downforce at low speeds, which improves both performance and fuel efficiency. Number 5. The Ferrari SF90 Stradal is a hybrid supercar that features an active spoiler that can deploy automatically or be controlled by the driver. The spoiler can be raised to provide more downforce or lowered to reduce drag. Number 4. The Porsche 911 GT3 RS is a high-performance sports car that features an active aerodynamic system that includes a rear wing and front splitter. The wing can be raised or lowered depending on the driving conditions, while the splitter can extend to provide more downforce. Number 3. The Lamborghini Huracan Performante is a sports car that features an active aerodynamic system called ALA, Aerodynamica Lamborghini Attiva. ALA uses a series of flaps and spoilers to adjust the airflow around the car, which can improve both performance and stability. Number 2. The McLaren 720S is a supercar that features an active aerodynamic system that includes a rear wing and front splitter. The wing can be raised or lowered depending on the driving conditions, while the splitter can extend to provide more downforce. Number 1. The Bugatti Chiron is a hypercar that features an active aerodynamic system that includes a rear wing, front splitter, and side skirts. The wing can be raised or lowered depending on the driving conditions, while the splitter and side skirts can extend to provide more downforce. These are just a few of the most advanced wings and spoilers in the world. Active aerodynamic systems are becoming increasingly common on high-performance cars, as they can provide a significant improvement in performance and stability. If you're interested in learning more about active aerodynamics, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more videos on this topic in the future. Thanks for watching.